So to install a seat sensor, remove the cushion from the seat, place your sensor pad on the seat, replace the cushion. And now you need to check operation. So when you sit on the cushion, you should expect a beep from your box. And then when you get out of the chair, you should expect a full alarm. On most nurse call systems, you need a module to trigger the nurse call system when somebody gets off the mat rather than sits on the mat. So to check this, first connect your module to your sensor mat. Sit on the seat to create a trigger, and then check it triggers when you get off. Disarm the module, and now check that it operates correctly with the nurse call system. So again, sit on the seat, get off, and you should have a trigger on the module and the nurse call system. Always disarm the module first before disarming the nurse call system. To install a bed sensor, place it on a section where it cannot be creased or slide when the bed is profiled. To test a bed sensor, get on the bed, listen for the beep that shows the system has identified a person who's on the bed, and then get off. You should have a full alarm. Next, test it with the nurse call system. Again, onto the bed. Wait a few seconds. And check for an alarm on the module and the nurse call system. Disarm the module first, then disarm the nurse call system. Sometimes it may be necessary to use splitter cables to increase the amount of inputs you've got into the nurse call system. So one of the key points is anything that you're plugging into a splitter needs to be the same type. So all stereo or all mono plugs. Never mix stereo and mono. Plug in the splitter cable, add in your extra inputs, and then you need to test each one individually. It is possible to add an extra splitter into a splitter so that you can have 3 inputs. So again, just make sure you check each splitter